In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type in Google Docs with voice. This exciting feature can truly enhance your productivity, especially if you're someone who finds typing cumbersome, or if you're just looking for a more efficient way to draft documents. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll need to access Google Drive. For that, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Head over to the Google Drive website and sign in using your email and password. Once you've successfully signed in, you're ready for the next step. Now, within Google Drive, you're likely to have a variety of documents. You'll want to open the specific Google Doc you plan to work on. Simply look through your files and click on the document you wish to edit or add content to. This action will open your document and you're getting closer to beginning your voice typing experience. Once your document is open, you'll need to navigate to the Tools menu. This is located at the top of the page. Click on Tools to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll need to select Voice Typing. Clicking this option will prepare Google Docs to convert your speech into text. After selecting Voice Typing, you'll notice a microphone icon appear on the left side of your document. This is your gateway to starting your voice typing. Click on this microphone when you're ready to begin. As soon as you click it, Google Docs is ready to listen and transcribe everything you say. It's almost like magic, but really it's just advanced technology at your service. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace for the best results. You may also want to consider using punctuation commands like period, comma, or new paragraph to keep your text well organized. When you're finished dictating, or if you need a pause, simply click on the microphone icon again. This will stop the voice typing feature, allowing you to review what's been transcribed. Remember, voice typing in Google Docs is not only about convenience, it's also about making document creation more accessible to everyone. Whether you're drafting an essay, jotting down notes, or even composing an email, voice typing can significantly cut down on the time it takes to put your thoughts into written form. And that concludes our short guide on how to type in Google Docs using your voice. I hope you found these steps straightforward and easy to follow. With a bit of practice, you'll be dictating documents like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.